Everyone thinks the best-selling solar charge controllers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Victron Energy SmartSolar 50A. The Victron Energy SmartSolar MPPT Solar Charge Controller. Priced at $174.42, this is a solid investment for anyone serious about solar energy. What caught my attention is its impressive ability to maximize power output, even in less than perfect conditions. If you want a charge controller that actively works to get the most from your solar panels, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Victron uses advanced MPPT technology to ensure every ray of sunlight is turned into usable energy. Its lightning-fast optimum power point tracking means you're not losing energy when your panels are even partially shaded. Plus, if you have multiple controllers, they can sync to work together, optimizing your entire system's performance. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month and a growing fan base, it's clear people find value in this product. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's too expensive compared to other options. Here's the thing though, you're paying for advanced technology and reliability that cheaper models often lack. If you're looking for long-term efficiency and performance, this investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a serious solar energy system and want something that can adapt and grow with your needs. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic at the lowest price. It's definitely worth the money for the quality it offers. Product number 2. Depo 30A Solar Charge Controller. We have the Depo 30A Solar Charge Controller, which is a steal at just $9.99. This budget-friendly option caught my eye for its user-friendly features. If you want a straightforward way to manage your solar setup without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Depo controller automatically adapts to both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, so you won't need to fiddle with manual adjustments. Imagine setting it up and forgetting about it because it remembers your settings. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge your devices directly from your solar power source. This is especially handy for camping or off-grid living, where you want to stay connected. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among budget-conscious buyers. Now, some reviews mention that it doesn't support lithium batteries, which might be a deal breaker for some. But if you're using lead-acid batteries, this shouldn't be an issue. Its robust safety features also ensure that your devices are protected. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for an affordable solution to manage your solar energy. Skip this one if you need compatibility with lithium batteries. Given the price, you're getting excellent value for what you pay. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for a more versatile setup. Product number 3. Victron Energy SmartSolar 20A MPPT. Let's talk about the Victron Energy SmartSolar MPPT Solar Charge Controller, 100-volt, 20A, priced at $93.50. This one really surprised me with its functionality and design. If you're looking for a reliable, mid-range option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is worth a serious look. The 20A version still packs a punch with its efficient MPPT technology, ensuring that even on cloudy days, you're maximizing your energy intake. The Victron Connect app is another fantastic feature, allowing you to monitor performance data and customize settings right from your phone. This is especially useful for those who want to keep an eye on their system without being tied to it physically. With 500 units sold recently, there's a clear interest in this model. Some users did find the app a bit tricky to navigate at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it opens up a lot of possibilities for managing your solar system effectively. This is perfect for you if you want advanced features without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, straightforward model. It offers great value considering its features and performance. Now, if the complexity of the Victron Energy SmartSolar bothered you, the next one simplifies things while still offering solid performance. Product number 4, Rollikit 30A PWM Charge Controller. Let's check out the Rollikit 30A PWM Solar Charge Controller, available for just $9.99. This is another budget-friendly choice that caught my attention for its straightforward design. If you want something simple and effective for your solar needs, this is worth a serious look. The Rollikit controller is easy to install and operates with a built-in microcontroller that automatically manages your solar panel and battery system. It recognizes the battery voltage without any manual tweaks, which is super convenient. Plus, it has an LCD display to keep you informed about the system's status. With over 300 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among users who need an affordable solution. However, some customers mentioned it's not compatible with lithium batteries, which could limit its use for those with modern setups. But if you're using traditional lead-acid batteries, this is a great, hassle-free option that gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want a basic, low-cost controller that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you're working with lithium batteries. For the price, it's hard to beat the value it provides. Now, if the limitations of the Rollikit concern you, the last option brings a lot of advanced features to the table.
Product number 5, Renogy Rover 40A Charge Controller. We have the Renogy Rover 40A Solar Charge Controller, priced at $205.99. This one is a bit pricier, but let me tell you, it delivers on performance. If you're looking for a high-end option that can handle a variety of battery types efficiently, this is worth a serious look. The Renogy controller boasts a 98% conversion rate and 99% tracking efficiency, making it one of the best in the market. It adapts to various battery types, including lithium, and even operates in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility is crucial if you're in an area with fluctuating weather. With 300 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its high performance. Some users noted that the app connectivity could be better, which was a bit frustrating for them. But to be honest, even without the app, the controller functions incredibly well on its own. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, high-performance controller for various battery types. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and only need basic functionality. For serious solar enthusiasts, the investment is absolutely justified. In conclusion, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Victron Energy SmartSolar 50A for serious users, the budget-friendly Depo 30A, the versatile Victron Energy SmartSolar 20A, the easy-to-use Rollikit 30A, and the premium Renogy Rover 40A for the high-end market. Each controller has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.
To wrap it all up, we explored 5 solar charge controllers that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for something economical or a high-performance option, there's something here for you. Choose wisely and happy solar powering.